So, this is a review for the quiz. We have a square inscribed by a circle. We have to find the area of the shaded region. We already know that the radius is 2 centimeters. We know that we're dealing with a square minus a circle, and that's going to leave us the shaded region, which is the little bit left over. So if the radius is 2, we know that the diameter is twice the radius, so that means the diameter is going to be 4. This diameter is the same length as the square, so that means the square's length is 4. Well, since this is a square, the height is also 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So that's the area of the square. Let's talk about the area of the circle. So area of the circle, we know the formula is pi r squared. So if the radius is 2, that means we have pi times 2 squared, and 2 squared is 4, so this is going to be 4 pi. Well, 4 pi is the same thing as 12.56. If we subtract these two, let's see, we get 3.44 centimeters squared. So that's how much the little bit left over is. 3.44 centimeters squared. Any questions? Replay this part of the video. Let's move on to the second kind of problem. So the second kind of problem is a circle inscribed by a square. Again, you have your radius, which is 3. So we have to keep in mind that, let's see, this is going to be the circle minus the square, which equals the little bit left over. Area of a circle again is pi r squared. If the radius is 3, that's pi times 3 squared. 3 squared is 9, so this is 9 pi. 9 pi is the same thing as 28.3. It's about that number. We're going to have to subtract the area of the square. Well, we know this is the radius. We also know this is the radius too. That forms a right triangle. So the area of this right triangle is 3 times 3 times a half. So that's 9 times a half, which is 4.5. So the area of this triangle is 4.5. Wait a minute. There's 4 of these triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times 4.5, let's see, carry the 2, that's 18. Area of the circle minus area of the square gives us the little bit left over, which is 10.3 units squared. Your quiz problems will look just like these two problems. Any questions? Replay the video. Watch it over and over.